Hello everyone, welcome to the third part of the tutorial. In this tutorial we will finish up the character, add textures, add hair, eyes, we'll do texture mapping for the mouth and the nose, add the dress and add some more profile to the body and then create a turntable animation. So real quick, let us see how this is done. Uh, if you have followed the first two tutorials, you would have reached this level, and I will further continue modeling this. I'm going to spend very little time on getting things right, uh, so you can spend more time refining your model. So one thing I noticed was that there is a sharp crease at the leg here, so I will go in the left view. And the distance here is too close, so we will real quick move this away. So there's a gradual transition, and this looks like too far, so I'll close this, and then you can see that now it looks a little better. In the front view, I also feel that this is little narrow, little wide, need to be narrowed. Okay, these things can be narrow here. Can further enhance the thighs and the legs. Okay, let's see how it looks. So this part is narrower, this is a little puffier, then we'll enhance the butt. So go to vertex. What we need to do is we need to move all these inside. Okay, so this will define the spine. In the front also we need to move this in. The front view we need to bring this closer. Alright, so the butt has to be enhanced. Add some profile there. Slightly up. Okay, so that's good enough. You can further enhance it the way you want. Okay, now the breasts here. Need to be enhanced here. Okay, and then once this goes inside, the bust will get its profile. The shoulder, the entire shoulder can be narrower. Okay, we can then bring the collarbone out here. Alright, so that's good enough. Now we will work on the one thing I want to do is I will do it later. Let us work on the nose. So in the side view, edit, delete by type, history. So I'm done with the butt. Here we can go in the side view and make sure that things are nice and tight. It takes a lot of time to get the shape right, so I don't want to spend too much time. Alright, so face. We'll add some transparency to this so we can see through. Go in the front view and side view. I will add an edge loop here so we can get this nose profile. Okay, and then we'll go back. So this one will be inside, this will be inside, this is the nose. And then we can move these lines. I'll go to edge and move these lines closer. Okay, so you can see that. Get that face profile. As per the sketch. Okay. So I'm going to delete this one and we will select these vertices. Make sure only the edge ones, or you can go to actually the edge and double click the edge and simply scale it straight. Then I will extrude it slightly. Okay, and then move the pivot to the end. Okay, so the eye This will be the eye. So we need to make sure that the top and bottom is matching. So we will need another edge loop to define the bottom of the eye. And make this straight. This will be the eye, so we will shift scale inside, move it slightly inside, shift, move it inside, scale it, shift, move it inside, scale and delete. Okay, once the eye is done, I will go to mesh, mirror, and mirror our geometry. And when we mirror, the gap has to be there. I'll hit the D key and move it out, so the mirror is in the right place. Now we will have to model both sides. Okay, we can spread this out a little bit. Okay, so you can further, I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but I'll move on to the eyes now. Let us create the eyes. Go to edit, delete by type history. I'll create a sphere and then name, assign a new material to this. Lambert is okay, and I'll name it eyes. Make this white. Okay, and then the size is going to be 0.3 or something. All right, so that will be the eye. Control D to put the other eye, and then I will control D and assign a new material or existing material Lambert. Face, delete half of these faces. Object mode, we will extrude this by 0.02, which looks good, so it can be smooth, and this will be the eyelid. So this will go here, so it can be animated. Okay, and then control D, duplicate, and I'll rotate it down for the bottom part of the eyelid. Okay, so select this, shift select this, control D, and move it on the other side. So we got eyes. Now we'll move on to the hair. So on the left side, select all the polygons that belong to the hair. So I'll select face, select these, shift select these, shift this, and shift this. Okay. So I'm going to go to edit mesh, duplicate, assign new material, Lambert, edit pivot, reset. Alright, this is the hair. Assign new material and name it. We're going to make it red. Red hair. We'll again go to edit mesh, extrude. Why is that happening? Alright, there's some issues, so I'll fix this up, and in the next class we will finish the hair and then create the turntable. Thanks.